What is this? 2 videos in the same week? I'm not complaining. Let's do it. Playmo Pals, I just happen to have a package that I got in the mail about a month or more ago, and it's been sitting, it was covered up by other stuff in my room. So I decided we should go ahead and open it, and it's going to be just a clicky, so this is going to be a quick video, but I figured, you know, I don't mind putting up a second video in 1 week. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what we got here. I can tell you that we got this from a place online called the Corner Toy Store in Frankfort, Michigan, I hope. What state is MI? Michigan? Anyway, let's check it out here. Guys, we have the PLAYMO-FRIENDS Violinist, Concert Violinist of all things, which I'm very happy to have. I do like the musician figures a lot. That's why I was really happy to get the Ever Dreamers Series 3 figures that I did, completing the collection. And yeah, so there's not a whole lot to see here aside from our clicky itself. We have a background full of concert goers. Not sure if this is like an AI rendered photo in the background or if it's an actual picture that was you know, blurred out, so we can focus primarily on the clicky. But this is part of the PLAYMO-FRIENDS line. This is set number 71198, and we have the pink packaging with the PLAYMO-FRIENDS logo there in the front. And looking at the back here, not a whole lot going on. And that's it for the packaging details, guys. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open and check out our clicky, since we can already see what's inside. The best way to open this is from the bottom. It pops right out. But I do like this figure. I do and I don't. And the reason why I don't is because of the painted face. They went ahead and painted the face, which they could have done is put the actual face on the clicky, you know, in the clicky, because the eyes and mouth are separate pieces. And they could have painted over that, so in case, in the event that for whatever reason, you know, the eyes and the pink mouth gets worn out or erased or whatever, you'll still have a face underneath there. So that would have been kind of cool, just what they do with the Novel More figures. But I do like the overall style, everything about it. The pink dress with the gold trim and the pink flowers, if you can see that right there along her belt, and even her little brooch here in the middle. Very nice. And she's got these little, it's supposed to look like lace to go with her gloves there, but it almost looks like tattoos. At first I was about to tell you it was tattoos. And then the dress does split in half, so we can remove it and potentially put in another dress, which is not included here. And it is plastic, so you got to be careful, because, you know, it's Playmobil's got good plastic, but it's not the strongest. It's not going to last forever. But this is what she looks like without the dress on. All right, and she has the white violin and the matching white bow. But we're going to go ahead and put the dress back on. You may have to take off the hair to get the dress on, but no, maybe not. You just gotta line it up right. There we go. Yeah, okay. And it clicks pretty good. And I really like the black hair. I tend to find that I get a lot of clickies with blonde or brown hair. Not a whole lot of black hair. So it's nice to see. And there she is. Very nice figure. And she'll look good in some background photos, or even promptly displayed front and center in an Instagram post or two. I think I'm going to be putting her up on Instagram very soon, actually. So yeah, that's going to be it for right now, guys. If you enjoyed this short video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. Wait. We do have more on the way, guys, so stay tuned. Until then, everybody have a great day. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon. Right here on PlayMo-AF. Bye-bye.